This is your Weather Xtreme video for Saturday, February the 4th, one day before National Weather Person's Day. I'm ABC 3340 meteorologist Brian Peters. Thanks for tuning in. Satellite image this morning shows a lot of clear skies over the southeastern U.S. with just some high cirrus clouds, and that's thanks to a surface high-pressure system that stretches from the West Virginia area down across into the northeast corner of Arkansas. In the upper atmosphere, we're dealing with a bit of a cool flow with a slight northwesterly fetch to it, but that is not too bad, although our observer at Black Creek has reported 18 degrees this morning. You can see that it is rather chilly over the Great Lakes area and across the northern tier over into New England. That chilly air, that cold air really getting down into the Tennessee River Valley, and you can see freezing all the way below Birmingham. A little closer look at temperatures, and you can see that we're in the mid-20s across the Tennessee River Valley, and mid-20s extend all the way down to Birmingham as well. You finally get above freezing when you get down to Montgomery and to Alex City. Don't see this very often. Radar just completely clear, and our watch warning map is kind of active up in the northern part of the Rockies and along the northwestern United States as that next system is coming in. We can also see that with the rainfall map for the next 5 days. It does look like most of our rain is probably going to come on Tuesday into early Wednesday. Looks like there'll be a gradient from north to south, basically, with the higher amounts over the Tennessee River Valley of around 1 inch. And we can still use that even though we've really clobbered the drought conditions pretty well. Storm Prediction Center is out looking for day 3 now. This is day 3, a marginal risk over parts of Arkansas, southeastern Missouri, and southern Illinois. The important thing is on day 4, Storm Prediction Center is out looking a 15% area of severe weather that includes the northern, about the northern 2/3 of the state of Alabama, and a good portion of the southeast, all the way up into parts of Indiana and Ohio. So that we'll be watching that system. All right, let's get to the model runs this morning. And there's the GFS surface map for today, the high pressure moving off to the east, and that will gradually bring us back under southerly flow. In the upper atmosphere, we're not seeing a big change as the ridge kind of moves our way slowly. But on Sunday, we noticed that as we get that moisture coming back from the Gulf, there is a small chance that we'll see some isolated showers. I think most of us stay dry. Temperatures on Sunday probably still cool with highs generally in the 50s. By Monday, we're watching what's happening in the northwestern United States because that's where our next system is coming from. In the meantime, we have got good southerly flow across the lower Mississippi River Valley, and that's really helping to increase the moisture. That system in the northwest U.S. moves in very quickly. It moves all the way from the northwestern U.S. to basically the western Great Lakes. As it does, a surface low will move from the vicinity of eastern Colorado or in the vicinity of Denver over to Chicago. And there's pretty good agreement on this as well. The European, there's the surface map for the European, and the GFS and the European very close in agreement on the frontal position. So that's always a good confidence builder. The severe weather values, the Cape values for Tuesday during the afternoon and into the evening hours are pretty good. They're on the order of 1,000 to 1,500 joules per kilogram. And we also have some decent shear with energy helicity index, and good values for severe weather are over 1, and these are in the range of 1 to 2. But the system will be weakening as it moves through. That system will move through very quickly on Wednesday as the trough, the bulk of the trough moves east of us, and that takes the front well away from central Alabama and down into North Florida. In terms of the temperatures, we're going to see temperatures get pretty cool. As you see, we're developing a really good long wave trough position over the eastern half of the country on Thursday. And then on Friday, that thing kind of dives in there. So look for some pretty cool weather on Thursday morning and again on Friday morning. Friday morning, especially since the high should be in a position to give us calm winds, so good radiational cooling. The ridging occurs very quickly on Saturday, but we're going to edge out into voodoo country on Sunday. Look at this deep trough coming in on Monday as we're getting out into voodoo country, and certainly I want to take note of that. So that looks like From Sunday into Monday of next week, we're going to be seeing some really cold temperatures. We stay pretty chilly through Thursday, the 16th of February, with that deep trough over the eastern part of the country. That does wane a little bit as we come under a more substantial ridge around the 18th of February, Saturday. But then the GFS has got a big system we'll need to be watching coming around the 19th of February, Sunday. As you can see, a real big closed low as well as a good trough over the central U.S. Well, that'll do it for the Weather Extreme video for this morning. I expect to have the next one posted around 7:30 or so tomorrow morning. In the meantime, I'm going to be traveling down to Tuscaloosa to talk to the Tuscaloosa Home Show at Bryant Conference Center on the University of Alabama campus. Hope to see you there. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters. Have a great day. Enjoy the sunshine, and Godspeed.